Hello my dear friends. Today again your friend Harish with you. Actually today I and Santosh, we both are going almost from here 30 kilometer away because we got a call. There's some villagers, they got the hedgehog. It's wild mouse actually. It is like porcupine, and it is they got him and they kept at home, which is actually Indian hedgehog is not legal to keep at home because its numbers are going day by day. Last couple of years it's down, so it's basically protect animal, illegal to keep at home. So we are going there and we'll try to rescue that, and we'll see the condition. If condition is okay, we'll take somewhere nearby a jungle and we'll drop it. If it is not good, we'll take to the hospital. Let's see, and after that we'll update you. Till then, be in touch with us. Finally, after almost 40-minute drives, we about to reach the point where this hedgehogs is there. Nice place, nice weather, is raining, drizzling now. Let's see what will be the condition of that hedgehog. I'll show you. Let me talk to the villagers first, then accordingly we'll let you know. So finally we reach to the village, and we asked that guy. He's bringing, he's bringing from there, and he kept in the box actually. So we'll see the condition. Can you see? Oh, thank you very much. This is nice. I think condition is looking better. Let me check. Can you hold? Anna, hold pannu. It looks nice, and is healthy too, I think so. Let me check little, and சொன்னா எங்கேல வந்தாச்சா?
அது வீட்டு நோக்கி வந்துக்கிருந்தது. அது நாய் அதை வந்து பிடிக்க வந்தது. அதை பிடிக்க வரும்போது நான் அதை எடுத்து அப்படியே பாக்ஸில் வச்சு டொமேட்டோ, இந்த கோவி இது எல்லாம் கட் பண்ணி, பியார்ஸு எல்லாம் கட் பண்ணி போட்டு எல்லாம் அப்படி சாப்பிட்டு உள்ளே இருந்தது.
See, actually what he's saying is it came to near his home, and he saw that time some dogs were trying to eat or bite. He called up us, we came here. And now I'm just saying it's looking healthy, and healthy is looking, and we'll try to drop it somewhere nearby jungle. So it's good. Sonna, thank you very much. You have done a good job, great job you have done. So we'll try to save his life. This is very nice. This is actually Indian hedgehog, which is protect, as I told you before, and is now, and they are very active in the night. Daytime they will not be active much actually. And you can see this is like porcupine. It'll if you will touch it fast, so it'll hurt you actually. This is not easy, like dogs was trying to eat that. It's not easy to eat it actually, but let's see. We'll try to drop it somewhere. It's a good one, very good, nice. Thank you very much, Anna. Little dry jungle, something like that, so we'll try to drop him. They're also very nice, but let's see. So this is awareness of people. Actually they called us and finally we got him and we are dropping. Otherwise might some dogs or some could have bite him and he could have died, but now he's in a safe hand. But condition was nice. We tried, we kept him down and he was running, so condition is nice and very healthy. Actually looked little tired actually, because I think since yesterday it is there. He had something on it because they have given him some fruits or something like that, because this hedgehog eat everything. Yeah, they can eat fruits, they can eat vegetables, they can eat insects, you know. So let's see. Condition is nice, is healthy, nice weight also. So see, it's very sharp. See, I got even little hurt, but no problem. It's nice, in a good hand. We'll drop him now. Lucky just we are crossing this farm and there's a little jungle. So we'll drop him here, and we are praying he should meet with his family and start his life new, because now he is safe, and we are just dropping him here. And we are, I think I'll keep it here in the open space, so it will go dear, enjoy with your life, take care of yourself, and hope you will meet your family soon. We are hoping like that he'll meet his family, and definitely they have nice memories and smells, so he'll get his because from, I don't think so because it came from so far, but let's see. It's a semi jungle, and I got to know from the people, a lot of people here, they are saying he has a good numbers here, so he'll get his family, I think so. So we'll just drop him here and we'll go home and let him go to his home. So I hope everything will be good and it will be safe. So friends, you also, if something, you know, you'll get like that, please save nature, and it will good for us, good for ourselves, good for our children, our generations. So I hope you must have liked it, and please, whenever you'll get this type of chances, please save the animals, please save the nature. Drop that little beauty to the near semi jungle. Actually I'm really very happy, and thank you for that guy. At least he called up to me and Santosh, and finally we came here. And so this is really, sometimes you feel, you know, if you are doing this type of some good job, so you feel really proud. Nice moment for us. We just dropped him, now we are going home. So you guys, till then, take care of yourself and be in touch. If you like, keep yourself safe in, because of the still corona is there, and try to avoid in huge publics and all, keep yourself safe. So friends, take care of yourself. Till then, bye, see ya.